The big story that we have for you at this hour is about a joint operation by UP Police and Punjab Police where 3 Khalistani terrorists were shot dead in an encounter in Pilibhit. These terrorists were involved in throwing grenades at the police outpost in Gurdaspur of Punjab that occurred on 19th of December. Punjab Police along with Pilibhit Police cordoned off the borders of the Pilibhit district to nab the terrorist. The terrorist opened fire at the police team and in retaliation all of them were shot at.
कमरिया पॉइंट जो पूरनपुर थाना क्षेत्र में पड़ता है, वहां पर तैनात पुलिस पिकेट ने यह बताया कि एक बाइक सवार 3 संदिग्ध नवयुवक जिनके पास कुछ संदिग्ध वस्तुएं होना प्रतीत होता है, वो तेजी से बाइक चलाकर खतरनाक तरीके से बाइक चलाकर जनपद पीलीभीत की तरफ गए हैं। तत्काल पंजाब पुलिस की टीम और हमारे थाना पूरनपुर पुलिस प्रभारी ने उनका पीछा किया। इन्होंने पुलिस पर फायर शुरू कर दिया। जवाबी फायरिंग में तीनों आतंकवादी घायल हुए हैं, उन्हें सीएससी पूरनपुर भेजा गया है। उनके पास से 2 AK-47, 2 फॉरेन मेड ग्लॉक पिस्टल और भारी मात्रा में एम्यूनिशन बरामद हुआ है। उनके बारे में जो बातें बताई गई हैं पंजाब पुलिस के द्वारा कि इनका कुछ फॉरेन कनेक्शन भी है, उसके संबंध में पूरी वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Adeeb is now joining us live for more on this. Adeeb, give us more details.
Well, Hina, see, these 3 Khalistani terrorists, they were hiding in Pilibhit, and Punjab police gave information to Pilibhit police that there are 3 suspects that could be hiding within the border of Pilibhit. Upon receiving this intel, Pilibhit police started their search operation and they sealed off the entire border of the Pilibhit. A massive manhunt was launched to nab these suspects, these 3 terrorists. And one of the police vehicles, which is the quick response team, they share that the info that they have spotted 3 suspects on a bike in an area in Pilibhit. The senior officials of Pilibhit, they rushed towards that spot. They asked these suspects to surrender before police, but they were trying to flee away from police, and they opened fire at the police team. In fact, the visuals that we have received clearly shows that how the police vehicle has been damaged in the fire that the fire they opened at the police team. And in retaliation, these 3 terrorists were shot by police. First, they were taken to the community health center in Puranpur area of Pilibhit, and after that they were taken to the district hospital where the doctors have declared them dead. Now the Pilibhit police have started their investigation. Punjab police has also given the information that there could be some foreign connection in this case also. So the police is now investigating the matter. They are trying to locate the location where these terrorists were hiding inside the Pilibhit. Police has also recovered sophisticated weapons from their possession, including 2 AK-47 rifles and 2 Glock pistols. Hina.
Right. Adeeb, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we have some more updates coming in for our viewers on this particular story. And Times Now has accessed pictures of these terrorists. Pictures of encountered terrorists have been accessed. And we are just going to show to our viewers the first pictures of the terrorists that have been accessed. And K terrorists who were killed in this Pilibhit encounter. And there you can see on your screens. Let me go back to Adeeb, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Adeeb, now talking about the recovery and the plan from here on, what have the cops told you? What were they really planning to do? And exactly what all has been recovered from their possession?
We'll see, Hina, the kind of weapons and the ammunition that police have recovered from these terrorists. Police believe that they were planning something big because police have recovered sophisticated weapons such as 2 AK-47s, 2 Glock pistols with a large number of live ammunition. So police believes that they were planning something big. They were fleeing from Punjab. They were accused of throwing grenades at the police outpost in Gurdaspur area of Punjab, and they were hiding in Pilibhit. The police believes that they were trying to take shelter in Pilibhit, and they were planning something big. But before that, Punjab police gave information to Pilibhit police that these 3 suspects could possibly be hiding inside the Pilibhit borders. And upon a massive manhunt, Pilibhit police successfully managed to get to the position of these terrorists. However, the police first tried to arrest them. Police warned them. Police asked them to surrender, but these terrorists, they opened fire at the police team, and in retaliation, these terrorists have now been shot dead by the Pilibhit police in that particular area.
This is significant, Adeep, what you're telling us with the kind of recovery of arms and ammunition that has been made from these terrorists. You're saying that the police officials are also suspecting that perhaps they were planning something big. For how long were they in Pilibhit? What more do we know about the people who have been arrested, these terrorists who have now been nabbed?
Now the police will begin their investigation, but the focus is on the post-mortem part. All the police forces, they have been shifted to the district hospital, including the senior official. They are present at the district hospital. They are completing their legal formalities, and simultaneously there's a team that has also been formed by the Pilibhit police that will start their investigation. They are going to visit the encounter site. They will collect all the evidences, and after that the police will begin further investigation into this case, where these people were hiding and for how long they were in Pilibhit. So they will coordinate with the Punjab police. This was a joint operation by Punjab police and Uttar Pradesh police. So the investigation will mainly be done by Pilibhit police, but the entire thing will be done in coordination with the Punjab police. And after that, we are expecting that Pilibhit police will soon release some more details in this case now.
Right, so this encounter in Pilibhit has led to killing of 3 pro-K terrorists, and that's the big story that we are breaking for you at this point in time. Adeep, for now, thank you for joining us with those details. And viewers, it was in fact a joint operation by UP Police and Punjab Police, where Punjab Police had given the information about 3 Khalistani terrorists who were in Pilibhit, and they were shot dead in an encounter in Pilibhit. Arms and ammunition has been recovered, and as Adeep was telling us, that the suspicion really is that they were planning something big, but now they have been killed in an encounter that took place in